Hey everyone, if you're using TradingView on your phone and you want to place orders quickly and correctly, here's exactly how to do it so you don't make mistakes and don't miss entries. First, tap the gear icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Open the chart settings, go to the Trading tab, and look for the Instant Order Placement option. Turning this on lets you place buy or sell orders instantly with one tap, which is great if you want fast execution. If you want more control and prefer reviewing everything before sending the order, keep instant placement off so the order panel always appears first. Since the mobile app doesn't have right-click like the desktop version, the way you place pending orders is by using the plus button on the price scale. Tap the gear again, make sure the plus button is enabled, then tap on the exact price level you want. A small menu pops up. Tap the plus and choose the type of pending order you want. If you select Create New Order, TradingView opens the full order panel, so you can double-check the details before confirming if instant placement is turned off. Tapping Buy or Sell always opens the order panel. The same happens when you pick a pending order from the plus button menu. If you need to modify an order directly on the chart, just tap the order to select it and drag it to the new price. This makes managing trades fast, accurate, and super mobile-friendly. And that's it for this one. If this helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment if you want more TradingView mobile tips, and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.